Oh, Waffle, leaping around like a frog. I just want to say one thing. You're such a clever dog. So many nights we're awake when you're woofing. We still love you, everybody.
Waffle Doggy! Waffle Doggy! Waffle Doggy! You're such a clever dog. You're such a clever dog you are.
After school today, Jelly and Ruby came to play at our house. A perfect play date. 2 friends and their dogs.
Whoa, hang on. No, come back here.
Toilet rolls.
Derek, don't keep those dogs under control.
Sorry.
You are delivering to me, Mrs. Hobbs?
Yes, that's right.
Waffle, get out of the way!
Catch!
Catch, Waffle!
Huh? Uh-oh. Whoops.
What a mess. Oh, Jelly's tidying up.
Nice to see there's a good and useful dog in this world. Well retrieved, Jelly.
Oh, how is everything since the house flood, Mrs. Hobbs?
You mean the flood that Waffle caused? My kitchen still smells of damp. Thank you for asking, Derek.
Sorry to hear that, Mrs. Hobbs.
Oh, are these toilet rolls really all for me?
Yep. And these. And this entire van load, see?
Whoa! Mrs. Hobbs, I've never seen so many toilet rolls before. Me neither.
There must be some mistake.
Well, that's what I thought, but I double-checked your online order, Mrs. Hobbs. You definitely ordered 250 super softy cheap toilet tissues. 4 in each pack. That's 1,000 toilet rolls.
No. Although my computer keyboard has been very sticky recently since that flood you caused, Waffle. I've over-ordered.
Oh, dear.
And it's all Waffle's fault, isn't it, Georgie? Oh, please, take these toilet rolls back. I really don't need 1,000 of them.
I have to get them all off the van, Mrs. Hobbs, so I can reach the other shopping I need to deliver today.
Oh well, we better bring them inside. Come along.
How are you, Mrs. Hobbs?
Can we help?
Yeah, Waffle is keen to make it up to you, Mrs. Hobbs.
Oh, no, thank you.
Oh, well. Playdate time, everyone. Come on, you lot. Here we go. Yay. Bye, Mrs. Hobbs.
Yeah. We're going to have the best play date ever, aren't we, Ruby? Yes, all 4 of us.
All right, you 2 go wash your hands. Now, I've already put out some carrot snacks for you and the doggies. So help yourself there,
snacks. Yum, yum.
And off you go, Waffle.
What's that? It's a waffly bottly ball thrower. Come on, look. You put the ball in here.
Yeah.
And watch. Whoa!
Oh! Wow! Hello, Evie Doggy. Hey, do you want to play ball?
Me too!
Gramps, Waffle Jelly play?
Oh, all right, come on then. All 4 of you pups, we can all play ball together. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Oh. Get ready? Any second round? Hey! Right, bench. Hey! That's it. Which of you puppies is going to be the first one to bring their ball back? Hey, there's another one. Hey!
My ball, Evie.
While Jelly fetched her ball, Waffle followed his all the way to the cupboard, where it bounced through the tunnel into Mrs. Hobbs' house.
My house is full of toilet rolls. 1,000 toilet rolls. What am I going to do?
But as Waffle is a kind dog, he left his ball and went through to Mrs. Hobbs to try to help.
Right, Mrs. Hobbs. I'm off to do my other deliveries now.
Oh, dear. I'm going to phone the supermarket and tell them about this dreadful mistake. I'm sure they'll send you back to take all the toilet rolls away.
Oh, Bobs.
Oh, dear. I can't bear to look at all this. Oh, I need to lie down upstairs.
Oh. Uh-oh. I know. Waffle help Hobbob's tidy. 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 Huh? What's that? Jelly! Jelly, go back! No! Jelly! Jelly, no! Jelly! Jelly! Oh, no! Jelly! Listen! Oh! Jelly! Not messy! Oh! Leave! Stop! Jelly! Go back! Waffle help Hobbobs! Oh! Huh? George? Jelly was bad.
Georgie? Is that you?
Uh-oh.
Have you just woken up? Oh, Georgie.
Quick, tidy.
Are all these
tidy.
toilet rolls upsetting you? The delivery person will be back to take all
Tidy.
these packages away.
Oh.
Waffle! Did you do this?
No! Jelly!
Oh.
Jelly!
So you're blaming Jelly, the good dog, are you?
Jelly bad!
She is not a bad dog. You are.
Jelly bad dog!
Here, bad dog.
No! Uh-oh! Help! Help! Hobbobs! Help!
Mrs. Hobbs. Right, come on, you lot, quickly. Here we go, Waffle, you come with me. Come on, Jelly, come on, Jelly. Mrs. Hobbs, open the door, let us in. Officers, get out of
Waffle
here.
is a very, very bad dog. And yes, I do need help to clear up all this toilet roll mess that he has made.
Oh, dear.
Oh, look at Jelly. Now, she is a good dog. Ruby, please tell your mother that Jelly is welcome to come and spend the day with George and me anytime she likes.
Thank you.
As for you, Waffle, you have let your family down.
Jelly bad dog! Waffle, stop Jelly! Jelly bad!
Mrs. Hobbs, did you hear that? I think Waffle tried to stop Jelly from making all that mess in your house.
Is that right, Waffle?
Yes!
Sometimes Jelly can be a bad dog, can't she, Ruby? Yes. My mum says she's noisy and boisterous.
Noisy and boisterous? Oh, look at her. I know a bad dog when I see one, and I see one there. Oh, thank goodness. Excuse me.
Hello, Mrs. Hobbs.
Wow, Mrs. Hobbs, you look like an Egyptian mummy.
Douglas, I don't want to talk about it. This way. This way, the toilet rolls are in. Here again, Mrs. Hobbs.
I'll explain. Come on, everybody. And you, Jelly.
If she could, I think Jelly would say sorry to you, Waffle, for whatever she did.
Yeah, come on. Let's get this off you, eh, Waffle? There's a good fella.
bad.
Poor old Waffle, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Poor Waffle.
There we go.
Later, all Mrs. Hobbs's unravelled toilet paper didn't go to waste. We recycled it. Doug's waffly bottly ball thrower got some new toilet paper balls.
Oh, can I play, Doug? Oh, yeah. I have a feeling that these balls are going to fly. Are you ready?
Yes.
Prepare to catch some balls.
Oh, are you playing catch again? Hey,
Yeah.
Can I be a doggy this time? Go on, Evie.
Oh, yeah, this looks like fun.
Come on. Oh, nice.
There we go, look at
To
that.
me. What? Oh.
Oh, I'm out. Reload.
Oh, dear.
That was a genius idea, Doug, to make balls out of all that waste toilet paper. Right, let's make some more.
Wait, Simon. Can me and Waffle borrow some of that toilet paper?
Yeah, you can have some, of course you can. But, why, Evie? What are you planning?
Oh, it's just an idea for bedtime.
Oh, OK, there you go. Night-night. Right, your mum's back late tonight, but she'll come and give you a good night kiss, OK?
Okay. Night, Gran.
No, Evie. Hey, and thanks for a fun afternoon.
Yeah, Waffle.
Oh, what's going on here?
Night, Doug. Night, Evie.
Night, Waffle.
Waffle! Waffle! I know you're a good dog, Waffle.
Yeah.
I love you.
Love you, Evie.
And look, Waffle, I stretch this toilet paper from your castle, Waffle, it can reach me in my bed.
Why, Evie?
If you ever knew me, Waffle, all you've got to do is pull on the end of the paper. It's our secret way to communicate. Shh.
Shh.
I know Mrs. Hobbs wouldn't agree, but Waffle would always be my very good dog and my very best friend. Love you, Waffle.
Love you, Evie.
Everybody!